Welcome to Vlogmas.
If you've been watching YouTube videos over the last few years, then you'll know that Vlogmas is a trend among YouTubers, and that's where they vlog every day in December leading up to Christmas. So that's exactly what we're going to do.
Or at least that's what we're going to try.
Daily vlogging means we have to go out every day and do stuff, and then I still need to edit.
And I need to go to work. So we're going to try and do things in the evenings after work, and Chantal will edit in the mornings so we can get videos out every day.
The idea behind our daily vlogs will be to give you an idea of what daily life is like for an immigrant in New Zealand, and we also just want to show you a bit of this beautiful environment. So for our first video we thought we'd bring you back to Whangarei Falls, but this time
we're going to take you to a different waterfall which is just down from Whangarei Falls.
It's been raining a lot recently and these falls are pumping. So you've seen this one before, this is Whangarei Falls, but there's another pathway. Craig ran there the other day, so now it's time for me to also see it. Whangarei Falls is over there, and then the pathway back up to the parking lot over there, and then this path that I've never been down, I think it's the Hatia loop, and it goes to the Paranui waterfall, I think.
This is probably my favorite part of this walk, with Whangarei Falls in the background, and then you've got this nice path next to the river.
This path is honestly so nice. It almost feels like something out of Jurassic Park with massive trees all around us, but then at the same time there's this well-maintained gravel path. We're walking across another cool bridge. I don't know when last I've been on one of these. It's like a little bouncy. Craig says it's a cable stay bridge.
Good.
I know. The weather's been so democard. I don't know what the proper English word is.
Inconsistent. Rains, the sun comes out. Rains, the sun comes out.
And now we're feeling raindrops.
And the wind, there was no wind like 2 minutes ago.
There was nothing when we left the house. Onto the GoPro, it's like raining now, so...
Can I bring my little camera up here?
So we have to protect the camera, but we want to see the other waterfall and we want to see the canopy walkway. We have to show it to you.
We're about to pass into a reserve where you have to actually scrub, inspect and spray your shoes.
We're on the Elizabeth track and we're going to the canopy walk. I'm so excited for this. Wow, this tree, it's massive. This is so stunning and I can't believe I haven't even seen it yet. It's so close to where we live and the Whangarei Falls. We just had to walk there a little bit extra to see. I'm just looking at that tree. It's so big. Just look there. Look at its roots.
These trees behind me are Kauri trees, which are massive trees that extend up to 30 meters into the air. They have self-supporting life systems in their branches. They also have tiny leaves. They are under threat. That's why we're in a protected area. You've got to clean your shoes to come in this area.
Whew. 7 p.m. We're about 2.5 k's from the car park. And I think it's going to get dark soon, but we have to go to the waterfall still.
Yeah, still another climb though.
Oh no. Okay, let's do this. These stairs are leading us to Paranui Falls, and I better stop talking because I'm going to get out of breath soon. We made it to Paranui Falls. The walk was just incredible. Almost a 5-kilometer loop, and now that we've seen the beautiful waterfall, we have to go back. From dark clouds and rain just now, the weather actually got better. It's 7:30 and it's lighter now than it was when we started.
And the sun is shining. We walked through rain and now there's blue skies.
And it's the most beautiful sunset through the forest. The sun rays just like shining through the trees and the canopies. Oh, it's beautiful. We just found these rope swings on the pathway. I can just imagine how cool it must be in summertime to jump in there. And this tree also has like a little wooden ladder thingy. This is a kid's paradise, hey?
You jump off the tree into the water.
That must be so much fun. It's almost 8 p.m. and we are back in one piece. The end is just up the walkway over there, and this was such an incredible walk.
If you want to do this walk on your own, download the Trails app. It gives you a map that you can actually download. Then once you've done the walk, you can just tick it off on your list, which is quite cool.
So we hope you enjoyed this first video of our Vlogmas series. Just take note that the next video will be a proper vlog that we've worked on for quite a while since we were back in South Africa. It's going to be a cost comparison between South Africa and New Zealand, and then the videos after that will be daily vlogs showing you what life is like for an immigrant in New Zealand. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Baby.
You just talk.
Oh no, I'm just scared you fall down there.
Leave it, I'm watching my feet. Oh, nice.
This is beautiful, except for that car.
Okay.